I'm going to show you how to center an image in WordPress using the block editor. No plugins, no code. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar. If your image is on a page, click Pages, then All Pages. If it's on a post, click Posts, then All Posts. The page list opens. If you have a long list, type a word from the page title in the search box at the top right. Hover over the page with the image and click Edit. The block editor loads and you can see the page content as blocks. Let's sign up a scroll to the image you want to center and click it directly. It gets a blue outline, and a small toolbar appears above the block. Look at the top left corner of the block, it should say Image. That's how you know you selected the right block. The alignment button is on the right side of the toolbar. It looks like several horizontal lines stacked up. If your toolbar is crowded, click the three-dot menu at the far right and you'll find it in there. Click the Alignment button. A drop-down opens with Align Left, Center, and Right. Choose Align Center. The image snaps to the middle of the content area, and the toolbar icon changes to show center alignment, so you know it took. If you don't see the alignment option, stop and click directly on the image again. Most of the time you've caught a paragraph block or a parent block instead. When you have the right block, the label says Image. If it still won't select cleanly, click the list view icon in the top left corner. That's the three horizontal lines, usually near the top of the editor. The block list opens. Find the entry labeled Image and click it. The image gets selected on the canvas and the block toolbar appears again. Go to the Alignment button and choose Align Center. You can also set alignment from the right panel. With the image block selected, look at the settings sidebar on the right. Depending on your WordPress version and theme, you might see an alignment section there. Choosing center from that panel does the same thing. I use the toolbar because it's faster, but this panel is useful when the toolbar doesn't show the option. If the image still looks left aligned, the problem is usually the parent block. Open list view again and look above the image block. If it's inside a column or a group, that's what's holding it. Select the image block from the list and use the same Align Center button. Don't click the column or group and try to center that, because the image inside won't always follow. This is the #1 thing I see people get stuck on. Check the image width. With the image selected, grab a corner handle and drag inward to about 80%, or use the width field in the right sidebar and type 80%. If the image is at 100%, it fills the whole content area and centering won't be obvious. At 80%, you'll see clear space on both sides. Before you publish, click Preview in the top right and check the page. Drag the browser window narrower to see how it behaves on a small screen. That's the step people skip. An image can look centered on desktop but sit awkwardly on mobile if the theme adds extra padding. If you have a phone handy, open the preview there too. Go back to the Editor tab. If the image is sitting where you want it, click Update in the top right. You'll see a small notification at the bottom left that says Page Updated. If this is a brand new page or post, the button says Publish instead. Now that the page is updated, click the image one more time. If the Align Center option was missing earlier, open the right sidebar and look under Layout. Some themes set the image to wide width or full width, and that overrides the toolbar. Set that back to none and the center option reappears. If you want space around the centered image, don't press Enter to create empty paragraphs. That's the quick fix that breaks mobile. Click the plus button under the image, search for spacer and set its height to about 30 pixels. The block appears as a clean gap and the image stays centered. One more thing worth doing now. Click the image and check the caption area below it. The caption centers with the image, but a long caption can make the whole block look off balance. If that happens, keep the caption short or reduce the image width to around 70%. If you have other images on the same page, click each one and check the toolbar. The setting is stored on the image block itself, so editing one image doesn't change the others. If this got your image centered, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.